Good morning to all. So students, today we are going to discuss about the special property of ferromagnetic substance, that is hysteresis loop. Okay, hysteresis loop or BH loop. Okay, so it is also called as BH loop. So you know the magnetism property of ferromagnetic materials. What are those? There is a permanent dipole moment in the ferromagnetic materials. So it gives some experimental behavior about the ferromagnetic materials. So what it gives means it is a special property. So what specially means, so there is some magnetism left in the material. So by doing experimental things, there we find the BH loop. So it is a spatial property of a ferromagnetic materials. Okay, ferromagnetic materials. तो ferromagnetic materials जो उसके अंदर जो परमानेंट हिस्टेरेसिस लूप आएगा उसको स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी बोलते हैं. दैट स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी इज नथिंग बट योर हिस्टेरेसिस लूप और बीएच लूप. हिस्टेरेसिस यानी कि नॉट हिस्ट्री, दिस इज ए लूप व्हिच इज लैगिंग बिहाइंड बाय मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ओके, सो it is a behavior of experimental part. Okay, it is a behavior of ferromagnetic materials. It gives a behavior of ferromagnetism. Okay, ferromagnetism. So consider the case in the experimental part of this BH loop. So by taking solenoid as like this, it is a multiple turn of n number of turns. Okay, so positive terminal, negative terminal. So in this one you have to kept the ferromagnetic materials. What are those? Aluminium, next iron, zinc, like this. These are the ferromagnetic materials. So by kept in the solenoid, if you increase the current in the solenoid, we will get BH loop. So what BH loop it gives means there is a special property of ferromagnetic materials. So जब एक फेरोमैग्नेटिक मटेरियल सोलेनॉइड के अंदर रखने के बाद आपको BH लूप दिखाई देगा. दैट इज बाय डूइंग एक्सपेरिमेंट. देखना है कि आपको एक ग्राफ के अंदर बाय इंक्रीजिंग B और H, व्हाट इज द लूप ऑफ दिस BH, और it is a loop lagging behind by H. Okay, so that is called BH loop. Okay, so initially what happens, आपका जो मटेरियल है फेरोमैग्नेटिक मटेरियल सच एज एल्यूमिनियम और what not aluminum, that is iron and zinc. Okay, so when kept in solenoid there is an increase in the magnetization. So by increasing what, if you want to get magnetic field means you have to increase the current. तो current किस वजह से होगा? If you magnetic field obtained by using current, so current increases your magnetic field. So magnetic field will be increases your magnetizing field. So magnetization increases in the iron and zinc, such as the ferromagnetic materials. So consider the case where initially the ferromagnetic material is unmagnetized. That means magnetization M is 0. That is initially M is 0. Magnetization is 0 in the sample. So sample is what? Ferromagnetic material. So this is your H, this is your B. So after the increase of H, there is P will be increases. What H is? H is magnetizing field. P is your magnetic field. So H is magnetizing field. P is magnetic field. So initially the magnetic sample or ferromagnetic sample is at 0. So if we increase the H value, okay, how do we increase H value? We have to increase H value from the solenoid. So solenoid के अंदर जो करंट ज्यादा होगा, ज्यादा होने की वजह से magnetic intensity H will be increases, magnetization increases in the sample. So इस वजह से there is a rise in the magnetization, so it will increase in this way. So that is from O to some linear like this, a graph or a loop. Okay, so O to A. So if we increase H again and again, there is a saturation value. So it will get like this curve. Curve OA, the curve OA is increases. Okay, increases. Okay, and remains the same, remains constant after, remains constant after increase in H, okay, that is called magnetic saturation, MS. Okay, so if we further increase H, there is magnetization in the sample, there will be increase. So like this, after increasing this value, so if you made magnetization is 0, that means current in the solenoid is 0, the curve will follows like this. Curve will follow like this. So at this position, the curve, magnetic saturation curve will decrease in another path. It takes different path. Hence it is called one loop. Okay. So along O to A, it will increase in this direction. So after decreasing of current in the solenoid, H will be decreases. Okay, H will be decreases. That is, by reducing H, B will be decreases at B position. Okay, so from O to B, there is a magnetic field is present in the sample. That field is called remains constant time. So यहाँ पे जितना magnetic field बचा हुआ है in the sample, that OB is called as remnants magnetization or remains the same. That is called residual magnetization. That is residual magnetization. Okay, so magnetization, or it is also called retentivity. It is also called retentivity. Okay, now so after removal of B, there will be decrease in H, or H decreases, B also decreases. Okay, so यहाँ पे करंट क्या करना है, और एक बार रिवर्स डायरेक्शन. So if you make the current in the reverse direction, H will be decreases. Okay, so like this will decreases your curve. It will come to at the point C. At point C, that point is called. So when magnetic field becomes, so H value क्या हो गया यहाँ पे 0. So at point C, this OC is called coercivity. At point C, it is called coercivity. Okay, now so where the amount of magnetic field made to 0, that is called C point coercivity. Again, there will be decrease in the current. There will be decrease in magnetization. So if you made the current in the reverse direction, this will follows like this. और यहाँ पे जितना मैग्नेटाइजेशन वहाँ पे इस डायरेक्शन पे है, वहाँ पे भी ये डायरेक्शन पे मैग्नेटाइजेशन will kept constant. So if you may increase the current in the reverse direction after some time or some period of time, there will be remains same, that is saturation magnetization. Next, like this, it will follows the same path. Okay, so not going to extend like this. Okay, so come to here. Next, if you made the current in reverse direction, there will be decrease in the path. Okay, so this follows different path like this at point D. Okay, this is like this. It will come to at this position and it will go to like this. Again, you have to make the magnetization will be increased. Okay, so that as the current is reverse, increases in magnetic saturation, P will be constant value. Okay, so constant value, let's say this is given by CD. Okay, so when H magnetization M lag behind by H, it is called as BH loop. Okay, so this follows a loop. Okay, direction of like this follows a loop. This is called as BH loop of ferromagnetic materials. BH loop of ferromagnetic materials. It will come to E position F to A. Okay, so the curve O to A, it does not retrace itself. It will go like this. Okay, so initially it is going to start from this position. It will go from here to here, O to A curve, and it will repeat like this, like this. Okay, so it does not retrace O A curve. Hence it is called loop. That loop it is called as BH loop of ferromagnetic materials. Okay, so what loop it indicates? This loop carrier आपको, that loop is called loss of energy. Okay, so loss of energy. तो loss of energy बताएगा कि how much magnetization is left by that material. Okay, so loss of energy per unit value per cycle of magnetization. Loss of energy per unit of value per cycle of magnetization. So this is one magnetization cycle. Okay, so magnetization cycle, that is called as what, BH loop, or energy loss of one loop. Okay, so O to B is also called is retentivity. Okay, retentivity बोला है इसको. This is coercivity. Okay, आपको एग्जाम में पूछा जाएगा कि draw the hysteresis for 1 marks question. Define for retentivity of ferromagnetic material. What is the coercivity or what is the magnetic saturation? Okay, इससे अलावा आपको कुछ definitions है that are called electromagnets. Okay, so जो ये ferromagnetic material, it will have some magnetic field left in the sample. So that is retentivity. So ये retentivity कौन से वाले substance में रहेंगे बोले तो ferromagnetic materials. आप एक soft ferromagnetic materials में होंगे and hard ferromagnetic materials में होंगे. So that is depending on their retentivity and coercivity property. So what is their magnetic saturation? What is their retentivity? What is their coercivity? Okay, so some part will be bifurcated as soft ferromagnetic material and hard ferromagnetic materials. So okay, so substances which are at room gets remains their property at room temperature. Okay, so आपको होंगे permanent magnets and electromagnets. So यहाँ पे solenoid है, तो this solenoid consists of your electric field. Okay, due to electric field there is a magnetic field. So what magnetic field induces? There is a H value increase करेगा, तो H increase करने से वजह से वहाँ पे B increase होगा. Okay, so due to H what it behaves as means electromagnets. तो आप एक rod है समझो. This rod of iron consists in a solenoid. So due to electric field there is a electric phenomena is present. That is called electromagnet. Okay, तो electromagnet क्या होगा? There is a material for this when placed in a soft iron gets magnetized. तो ये भी magnetize हो गया. So magnetize होने की वजह से उसको electric field और magnetic field both combined होके वहाँ पे it gets magnetized. That is called as electromagnets. So it behaves as a magnet. That is called electromagnet. So ये property वहाँ पे कौन से substance में present होगा? That property of substance will get at room temperature. So remains the same. So what are called as substance which at room temperature retain their ferromagnetic property. That are called permanent magnets. First one is electromagnets. Second one is B is permanent magnets. Okay. So आपको याद रखना है electromagnets बोले तो क्या, permanent magnets बोले तो क्या. Electromagnets क्या है? So there is a rod in the solenoid like behaves like a magnets, that is electromagnets. Permanent magnets में तो magnetic saturation property वहाँ पे present रहेगा at room temperature after removal of heat. Okay, so their uses will provide you have to note down it. Okay, so I think you have learned about this.